Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am working with Jamar balloons once again. Huge thank you goes to Festi for sending me this beautiful color palette that I'm about to show you, which is trapped in this box. Cannot wait to open it. I will link them in the description under this video, and also Festi gave you guys a special coupon code that you can save 10% off of your purchase. The coupon code is AOBalloons10. Enjoy the coupon. Let's go. Let's open the box up. Of all the balloons that I received from Festi, they also sent me some goodies. So let's see what I got here. I got a full bottle of Balloon Glow Pro. This is kind of like a balloon shine. You spray and balloons are not matte anymore. So thank you so much. Also a full spoolie of fishing line. I love fishing line. I love using fishing line to hang all of my stuff. So this is very, very handy. Excited to try this balloon glow. I've heard about this company so much, so excited. Also, I got powerful air electric balloon pump. I'm gonna be using this today, and a cutter. Thank you so much, Festi, for extra goodies. Let's set everything up, let's organize and start inflating our balloons. First things first, let's go through colors and sizes of balloons. I have 4 colors here. First one is peach, 12, 19, 5, and 31-inch balloons. Blush, 12, 5, 19, 31-inch balloons. Lime green for the pop of color. I have 12 and 5-inch balloons. And last but not least, 5-inch balloons in white. All right, it's pretty light. I really like it. I see that I can put these nozzles on for an easier inflation, which is great. I like these. And seems like they are dual inflators, so you can push any of the nozzles and inflator will start to inflate. I like that very much. So let's test this out. Let's start with blush balloons. I am grabbing 12 and 19-inch balloons and starting to inflate. 12-inch balloons inflating at the same time into different sizes. This inflator is pretty strong. I like it so far. I inflated 2 balloons into different sizes, pressing them against the table to give them more rounder shape, crisscrossing the necks of balloons and tying a knot. Grabbing 19-inch balloons and inflating them as well. Pair out of 12-inch balloons. Pairs, crisscross them together and intertwine them. Our 19-inch pair and adding into the quad that we just created. Quad are 4 balloons combined together. And here we have a beautiful small cluster of balloons. You can absolutely add 1 more pair of balloons into whatever we just created to create a bigger cluster of balloons. I decided that today I want to work with smaller clusters of balloons. So I will be repeating the same process what I just showed you with other colors. I won't be mixing colors. I'm working with 1 color at a time. Let's inflate the rest. My 5-inch balloons, I will be using a LiQWYD. I absolutely love using LiQWYD for 5-inch balloons because it has a timer. You put a timer and all of your 5-inch balloons are inflated at the same size, even inflation. I will link this LiQWYD in the description under this video. This time I want to make just quads of 5-inch balloons without making really big clusters of 5-inch balloons or mini balloon garlands. So 2 pairs combined together, very simple today with 5-inch balloons. And for my fun balloons, I really want to include these daisy foil balloons. I absolutely love them. Just recently I've been spotting daisies everywhere, so that everywhere daisy saying kind of inspired me to go with this theme. So grabbing these, grabbing my hand balloon inflator and inflating. There's a reason why I'm using a hand inflator, because hand inflator is much more gentle on these plastic inserts that self-sealing balloons have. Once you rip this insert, balloons will start to deflate. So the safest way is to use a hand pump on your foil balloons. So let's inflate. A very good idea to use a foil inflator. I will link this inflator in the description under the video. I keep on forgetting that I have this inflator. This inflator is made specifically for foil balloons. It does feel when it needs to stop before it will pop the balloon. So it inflates the foil balloon to the perfect capacity amount of air that it can hold. So you basically choose a nozzle that fits your balloon, insert the nozzle into the opening of your balloon and turn it on. Once it stops inflating the balloon, switch off, pull out the nozzle, and your balloon is perfectly inflated. So first things first, I really want to see how this idea with this frame and daisies will look like. If that's going to fail, I'm gonna change this frame for something else. So don't ask me where I got the set of white frames. If you've been watching my videos, you know that this is the worst investment in frames that I've ever made. This is a set of 3. This is the bigger one. There was a little bit smaller and the smallest one, so trio. Worst thing ever. They are horrible. Quality is awful. They are crooked. They are wobbly. No matter how much I will tighten those screws, not working. So don't ask me about these frames. So here's what I want to do. I want to grab painter's tape and my daisies, and I want to go all over the frame with daisies and fill the frame with flowers. So let's try this out. This is how this frame looks with daisies. I ended up using glue dashes to attach all of my daisies to the frame, and seems like glue dashes work even better than just painter's tape. I ended up adding some glue dashes on these 2 daisies as well with painter's tape. Also, you can grab painter's tape and tape your daisies for extra hold. I find that glue dashes hold daisies very well. It looks cute, but I'm not sure if I want to keep them on this frame. We'll see. Let's move on. For this hoop frame, I want to take my clusters and simply push my balloons on the frame. Once I pushed the frame between balloons, I am grabbing balloons that are holding the frame and crisscrossing to lock the frame inside. So this is how I will be filling half of my hoop. Let's go. To fill in this section of the balloon install, I am grabbing extra clusters of balloons, using necks from balloons from clusters to attach extra clusters. Let's have fun. This is the time to create, to put you on your setup. sign is new to me. As you can see, I just unpacked. This is from another company that I am working with very soon. More surprises to come from the company, not only just signs, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I will link the seller of these signs in the description under this video, so check them out. Peeling the back is so satisfying. Yay, so pretty. And this is what I have for you guys today. Look how cute this setup turned out. Absolutely love the color palette. Thank you, Festi, for sending me these beautiful balloons. These daisies, they came from Amazon. I will link them in the description under the video. Love the additional pop of daisies in my balloons. Also, this neon sign is just perfect in here. And a chair and a rug is just cherry on top. I hung my sign by the fishing line, or with fishing line. I don't know if you can see, it's hard to see. I just strand my fishing line through holes in the sign and took it to my balloons, tied it, and holds super well. Also, this sign comes in 3 settings, super bright, medium, and very low in brightness. Thank you again, Festi. Don't forget to use my code for % off at checkout. Everything is linked and listed in the description under the video. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and also inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. They always help. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out. Thank you so much, Festi, for sending me these beautiful colored balloons. Check them out. Use my code AOBalloons10 for some % off. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you very soon. Bye!